Hello everyone, today we're gonna create a gas turbine engine blade from a cylinder. First we add cylinder, then we rotate it, then we scale it for the shaft. And then we apply shade smooth and we're gonna make a loop cut for the blade side. Alright, we applied loop cut, then we select faces for extrude. Make sure not select the front face. We're gonna use triangulate face, but before applying that, it's better to apply loop cut again for the blade side, because we're gonna make a complex shape. You can make some trials as I did. It's better to understand. If you try to make loop cut after triangulate faces, it doesn't work. Because of this, we need to apply loop cut just before triangulate faces. Then select faces. Yeah, as you see, we have separated triangulates. Then we are going to select half of the faces. But yeah, as you see, we need to switch to X-ray view before triangulating the surfaces. We need to select all the faces at the behind and the front, upper and lower. Now we are selecting the half of the faces before extrude them. Now we completed selection. Then we will use individual extrude tool. Yeah, as you see, we extrude and we have our blades. First we try the smooth tool to separate the blades from each other. But here's an issue. If you apply this, if you do that, we create angles. That's not what we want. You will see why. Yeah, seems nice, but we don't want that angle. That's why we undo smooth, then we directly select one group of the blades for rotating. Yeah, we create blades again, and we're gonna rotate the back group of the blades without applying any smooth. Now we switch to X-ray view, then we select the back group of the blades and we rotate to get some complex shape, and it seems better. As you see, seems nice and no angle. Now we create the tip of the shaft. We're gonna use proportional scaling. Scale down and move through the y-axis to get the tip. And we scale it down more until there is no surface exist. As you see, we have our tip, and we create some simple metallic material. Let's get our shiny metal material now. I like darker colors for that. You can create any material at any color. Now we add some lights. As you see, we have our simple metallic material. And also we add area light. Now it seems better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.